In CNC machining, flatness isn't just about looks, it's the foundation. Before you drill, bore, or perform any secondary operation, you need a truly flat reference surface. So, how does face milling deliver that perfectly flat starting point? Let's look at the key factors. Face milling uses a cutter whose axis is perpendicular to the workpiece. The cutting action happens on the face of the tool, sweeping across the top to create a flat plane. But the real secret to a great finish isn't complex. It comes down to three things you can see and control: rigidity, a rigid setup, your machine, your vise, and the part itself absorbs vibration. Flex is the enemy of flatness. Toolpath, smooth, consistent engagement prevents chatter marks. Parameters, matching speed, feed, and depth of cutting to the material. Choosing the right tool depends on your goals. For roughing, you want an indexable face mill. It removes material fast, and the inserts are replaceable. For fine finishes on smaller areas, a flying cutter can produce an excellent surface with a single point. And for confined spaces, a solid carbide tool offers rigidity. At WMTCNC, we help you match the right tool holder and inserts to your specific materials and operations. The difference between a rough surface and a precision finish often comes down to one final pass. Roughing uses deeper cuts and higher feeds to remove volume. Then comes finishing, shallower depth of cutting, controlled feeding, and often higher speeds. This cleans up the surface, improves roughness, and ensures that final flatness. Techniques like using wiper inserts can further enhance the finish without slowing down production. Most face milling problems: chatter, poor finish, short tool life. Start with the setup: a rigid machine, a stable tool path, and the right insert geometry solves 90% of these issues. You don't need to chase defects. You need a partner who understands the fundamentals.